I originally came to Dr. Rion because I was having chronic headaches. I had a lot of stress and tension in my head and my neck and my upper shoulders, which is pretty common, but I had had a headache for about 3 months and could not get rid of it no matter what I tried. So I came and started getting adjusted on a regular basis, once or twice a week for about, I would say, 3 months. And within 3 weeks, I didn't have, after the first adjustment, I started to get some relief, and within 3 weeks, I didn't have headaches anymore at all.
So I first met Rion when I was in terrible back pain, lower back pain, which I'd had for a long time. And he was able to really help me reduce the pain immediately and then work with me for a longer term program to strengthen my back. So
I herniated 7 discs in my back. I got hit by a car as a pedestrian. When I initially got hit, I got a concussion, extreme pain, and Rion was absolutely amazing. I recovered. I was feeling good again probably after about 5 or 6 months, but it was just an amazing experience. He was so gentle, but his adjustments worked perfectly for me. I'm feeling great now. I'm back to playing basketball, back to being fine.
And I came in with a pain in my hip, kind of a sciatica problem. I'd fallen and broken my hip at one time and a few years ago. And so what we found out was when they put me back together, they were more concerned about getting the bone to heal than they were aligning me right. So I've had lots of relief from coming in to see Dr. Zimmerman.
My daughter Victoria was complaining about back pain and brought her in, and after her treatment I decided to come into myself. I had a knee reconstruction, so I was feeling some lower back pain and decided to start with a plan and come to Dr. Rion. He's helped out. I was also having trouble sleeping, and it's helped my sleeping pattern a lot better since seeing him.
I was having problems with my back and had this ongoing cough that I couldn't get rid of. And so I started going to Rion, and it's been amazing.
I initially came in to see Dr. Rion because I've been struggling with migraines for well over 20 years now. And basically, I switched over to him actually from another chiropractor because I learned that he had also had migraines when he was a child, and his mother had taken him to see a chiropractor. And it really has helped me.
I came to Dr. Rion with lower back pain that had been troubling me for some time, and I found him to be very attentive and thoughtful, and he has a great technique. And so I'm happy to recommend him to anybody. You'll get great results.